Negative
Sides
sides
of the school!
This is one of the negative sides of the school.
Reynolds Lover!
Yay! Quality education for a world-class generation.
Yeah!
Corny. Another one. Fuck! Ba't ganon? Laging nakalock tong gate na to. Kaya hindi kami makapag-counter eh. Miss naman talaga mukhang Jollibee. Takat from second place.
Ano? Love you,
This is the Jollibee headquarters.
La 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 la.
The Beyblade headquarters.
Yeah!
Lex Fortress.
We're now at Lex Fortress. Ito ang pinakamahirap na gawin namin eh. Mga undercover agent na naghahanap ng mga negative sides of the school. So, oo, di ba? Mahirap maghanap. Kasi baka na makikout kami. Pero gagawin namin to for the sake of our classmates and Ivy routine.
Ivy din?
Oo, tangkot. Wait. Ito na, pinakamahirap to eh. Si Leclerc. Ito ang pinaka-negative side of the school talaga. Hindi mo ba na-gets yun? Sorry kung nagiging rebelyoso kami. Task day na to eh. Sige na. Next.
The parlor. Here lies the beautician.
On this side of the school,
Yes,
it's
it's a mess. This look shit. Pero tingnan mo, ang kalat. I can imagine this as well. I can't imagine. Look, lubricant oil. Look at the shoes, mother sucking ass.
and look at their briefs.
Oh my god. Oh my god, what quality education are you giving to us? Goodbye. PTCA suggestion box. Eh, wala naman laman. Barbero naman yung mga tao dito sa
Songers. May trademark. Corny.
Kita ko. Totoo yan.
Pinakakita ko, mas totoo yan.
Hindi.
Mas totoo yan.
Habang buhay. Look at this vandalism.
Vandalism.
Look this.
Puka. Puka.
Puka yan.
Let's go.
Look at this. Nagte-text si Miss Pontiveros. Di ba bawal yan? Negative side of the school.
May balak pang tumawag.
May balak pang tumawag. Oh my god.
Negative side.
Ba't ganito? Negative side na naman. Tingnan mo, mga live wires to eh. Dapat di ba may takip to? Stupid stitches. Tingnan mo to. Nakasarado pa yung court. Para saan pa yan? Negative side of the school. Tingnan mo tong billboard na to. Tingnan mo, bilis.
Ayun.
Nakikita mo na? Ano ba yan? Ginawa pa ba yan? Para saan? Ewan, wala naman nilalagay. May mahalaga bang nilalagay? Tingnan mo na may ilaw. Nakabukas pa. Magbabayad tayo para mag-aral, hindi magsayang ng kuryente. Negative side of the school. Joel. Rubio. The speaker. Para saan pa to? Wala naman TV, inalis naman. Pero ito, para saan?
Para saan pa yung speaker na yan?
Baka may madisgrasya pa ang tao dyan, di ba? Negative side of the school. Tingnan si Ma'am Noman. Hindi ba yan ang pinaka-negative side of the school?
Negative side? Bakit?
Kasi masamang tao yan.
Jollibee.
Yun lang, Jollibee. Ito ang isang pang negative side of the school. Kaso, tinatakpan lang ni Paolo Divina Gracia. Pero itong library ito ang pinakasira ulo sa lahat. Kaya negative side to ng eskwela natin. Negative side of the school. Yeah. Tingnan nyo yan. Punong-puno ng
Alikabok.
na masama sa lungs. Lalo na kay Reynan.
Baka masinghot ng ilong ni Reyna lahat ng mga yan.
Kaya masakit siya sa ilong eh. Nakakamatay ba yan? Nakakamatay yan, di ba? Oh, hindi man lang nililinis. That's bad BI, bad information. Negative side of the school, reporting live. Tracy Sanyas! Di ba parents waiting area ng girls?
Pero anong sumasakop dito?
Parents.
Parents.
Puno ng parents.
Kung walang parents, walang gulo. Negative side of the school. Reporting live, Tracy Sonyas.